Oh yeah. Hey, welcome to Joe's Garage. So tonight we're trying to clean the garage up. And it's not easy. It's not an easy thing. At all. So I'm trying to organize things. I'm measuring certain bolts out and trying to find bins for certain kind of parts. Stacking certain items together, trying to be really organized about it, and you see that I'm making progress. Alright, so basically, okay, well, here's the fitting department. Here is the bushing department. This here is the tire department. Well, that box is locked, so I can't show you that right now. But anyway, here's the bolt department. And so what we have going here is you just put the bolt department on a skateboard, roll it out there, quickly select your bolt and roll it back in, and it's out of the way. How convenient and how quick. So I need to get rid of this thing. If anyone wants to buy this, I'm selling it for $50. Here we have something, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna sell it. So it's like a white elephant thing. Here we have some Porsche 930 European exhaust manifolds, and I should probably get rid of those. I bought some new kitty litter, and it doesn't work like the old stuff. I mean, trying to get it to soak up oil and doesn't want to do anything. Okay, yeah. So I've had a few emails. People say, "Hey, man, where's the truck at?" Well, I had to pull the winter beater car in here, and truck's in the other garage right now. So today was spent in trying to, well, these are 18-inch wheels with real skinny sidewalls. Not real good for potholes and jumping railroad tracks. So I bought these other wheels. These are 16s, so that affords me room for some beefy sidewalls. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So that'll work, I think, for the winter time. And yeah. So today I went down to Summit Racing. They had this nice beefy, what is this thing? This is a long water pump, high volume, small like Chevy, aluminum. Yeah, can't beat it. And so the other thing was this thing, and I hope that fits on my crank pulley. I think it will. So that'll look pretty cool. And what else? Grant steering wheel, yeah. I mean, I don't like Grant steering wheels. I don't know why I bought it, but I don't have the original for the cars, so for the trucks. So I thought maybe that would work. Okay, anyway, next thing is to get this thing cleaned up, repainted. This was a good running motor. I mean, I don't know why I pulled it out. It was great. So I just got to slap the valve covers on there, put a carburetor, put this thing back on probably, clean it up some. And yeah, try to get rid of that. Alright, I think we covered everything tonight, so glad you tuned in. And thanks for your support. Thanks for all the donations and all that stuff, I mean, I don't really need them, but just keep them coming in anyway. So, kind of an exciting thing that happened today was I took the truck out for a drive, and I forgot to hook or disconnect the battery charger, and the power cord got caught in a fan. How do these things happen? I mean, I don't know. So it didn't take it too well. There's where the power cord used to be, right there. That strain relief hole. So I'll probably drill the rivets out and see if the board is fractured, or if I can solder a new power cable on there, straighten the metal out, and make like a hobo battery charger out of it, you know? I'm hoping so. I mean, these things are 45 bucks. Right on. So, hey man, thanks for tuning in. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get some work done. You guys are holding me up again. So, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you later.